Oh, hey, and we're live. Welcome back to another episode 4. This episode's the jazz edition. I know what you're thinking. Jazz, complex, music theory out the wazoo. Yes, but we're going to break it down into simple steps. Now, one thing that is going to be different is I'm obviously in a field because of Corona. There's a virus, there's a pandemic, so we don't have any electricity. So we're going to have to, go back to the acoustics, the old reliable, aka the guitar, or as we call it here in the South, Alabama, the guitar. And it really sucks that we don't have any electricity, but Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison and all those electricity guys couldn't figure out a way to get it out here somehow. It's 2020, we should, I don't know. If you're wondering, Riley, why do you look like a dad that's going to a barbecue on the 4th of July? Well, the answer is, quite frankly, whoever Frank might be, I don't know. It's the first thing I grabbed out of my closet, and so now we're here. But let's get to the jazz. So I could sit here and I could talk about, we're gonna play a 2-5-1 chord progression in the key of C. That does us no good. So we're gonna break jazz down into 3 easy steps. And step 1 is obviously gonna be, we gotta get in the mindset of a jazz musician. We gotta get in the head of a jazz musician. And you're like, Riley, how do we do that? It's obvious. Watch the new movie. Jared, roll the clip.
You like jazz?
All right, step 2 is we got to get in the appropriate apparel, the appropriate attire to be a jazz musician. It's obviously not this. So we're gonna do that. All right, so now that we have the appropriate attire to be a jazz musician, obviously we've got the suit, the fedora, the tie, the instrument. The last step is genuinely the easiest. That's picking an instrument. You can, if you have electricity, you can use a piano. Many things can be an instrument. A wood block, a xylophone. The biggest thing about jazz is you're putting 7 chords in random places. All right, so you guys know how to play now. Jazz, that is. Like I said, it's pretty simple. It's very complex, but these 3 steps, very easy. As all great jazz musicians went through this process. Count Basie, Miles Davis, Bill Evans, Oscar Peterson, all these incredible jazz musicians went through this process. And, these past 3 videos have prepared you for this one time, and I think you guys are ready, and you're at the top tier of your piano playing. And you're probably asking yourself, Riley, how am I supposed to get this information from a guitar to piano? Well, music theory is all the same, so just transfer it over. You can probably Google it. That's what I do with half the stuff I do. So you're ready, you got it. Good job, and good luck. And remember, wash your hands, stay 6 feet away. That's it. That's it. What else do you want?